Storm clouds catching up with me. My name's David, and with this project to summit 1,000 mountains, I hope to challenge myself mentally and physically, and hopefully inspire you along the way. Good morning, it's about 6:37 a.m. There's a river right here with easy access, so hopefully I can discreetly wash my clothes. Look how dirty that shoe is. So I've got this bar of soap that I made, that I brought, and we're just gonna try to lather this up and lather my clothes, wash them. I also brought some gloves because it's gonna be really cold. This river is freezing. It's all glacial water. So one other part of cleaning my clothes is I use this, which is a mixture of vinegar, water, and essential oils, which helps disinfect and clean my clothes. It makes them smell good too. So I'm trying to fix this tripod. You can see there's a button that's missing there. So I lost both the buttons on this one and this one. After washing my clothes and fixing my tripod, it was time to drive on the $1 Million Highway, a highway named after the cost to build it. This sketchy highway doesn't have guardrails and the drop-offs go down to a river below. After getting through the most dangerous section of the $1 Million Highway, the land opens up into this meadow with our objective in the distance, Red Mountain number 3. I've never hiked a mountain that's red, but I couldn't pass up the opportunity when I came across this mountain. Red Mountain number 3 is located in the San Juan Mountains in southwestern Colorado. Getting here requires driving up a very steep gravel service road. Immediately at the start of this hike, you're greeted with a bunch of abandoned old buildings. This one is weird because it's not really a trail, it's just a road. We're keeping an eye on that rain cloud. Doesn't look very friendly. I do have a rain jacket with me. Not sure what to do with this one. I keep hearing a little bit of cloud smacking. Not quite thunder, but it's close. I'm gonna go up, I don't know, another half kilometer, get a view, and make a decision. You see here it says hikers, skiers, we welcome. So just as I predicted, the wind has blown those storm clouds away from the mountain, so I'm gonna make a go for it. There's no storm clouds over there behind me. I've got 2 kilometers to get up there, so So I've got 1 kilometer now to get to the top. I'm gonna go up there and then to the right and go on the back side, the right side of the mountain. There's also a path on the left, but I'll follow the Alltrails one on the right. There's different views. We've already seen the views on the left side, so the right side would be nice. See what's over there. I keep looking behind me and there's like new rain clouds forming, but they don't look that big, and yeah, I gotta bag this quick and in and out. beautiful, beautiful up here, but that rain cloud is coming too quickly. Need to hustle. Oh, it's moving. There's one behind it. Storm cloud's catching up with me. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. Oh, it's hailing. It's hailing. Ah, hail hurts. Oh, I hope that building's open. It's locked. Okay, I can hide here. So that big storm cloud is right there. It caught up with me just before I got here. That hail actually hurts. Pretty decent size, almost marble size. And oh, it's going again. I'm just hiding on the back side of this solar panel in this booth. I can't get in this building, but at least I got cover here. And there's a gap between the clouds. The summit's up there maybe 100 feet. So we're gonna let this cloud blow over. We're gonna run up there and hopefully the wind is low, we can get some drone shots. If not, I just gotta bag it and get out of here. So there's an opening there. It's still kind of raining. Sprinkling, it's a big rain cloud over there. It's get kind of clear, and 2 more of those rain clouds coming. I'm not waiting around, I'm just gonna go up here and bag it. And then we'll see what happens. This is a really beautiful hike. Wish I could have made it a little bit more serene, but this is a mad dash to get up here. There. Woo! Can't believe I got it. There's another big cloud. Oh gosh, I either gotta go hide or I gotta run. So this guy is looming down on me. It's gonna start hailing again soon. Let's get a couple more shots before that happens. There's thunder now, and I'm at the top of a mountain. Oh, I'm gonna get down. Not good, not good. Woo. least just got to get to that tower and hide underneath there. So I got the sunny block. I'm between the two clouds that are raining. It was starting to rain a little bit back there. The next 3 clouds look really bad. So I'm gonna probably throw all my stuff in my bag and trail run down. It's only 3 kilometers to my car, so I can run down there pretty quick. Yeah, because this does not look good. Just getting worse and worse. If anyone knows what that little thing on the top of the mountain is, let us know in the comments down below. It looks like a giant sign. I was able to take a quick break, get some water, but now I'm looking at, hopefully you can see that in the back there, the mother of all rain clouds. That one's not messing around. That's probably rain and hail up here, maybe actually some lightning. Throughout these grasslands, there's this little squeaky noise go, eep, eep. What is that? Does anyone know? I've heard those before. They sound like those Pikachus at the Canadian Rockies in the rocks. They kind of sound like that. But, you know, there's Squiggly up there, the big marmot. So maybe that's the sound a marmot makes? I don't know. The clouds are changing direction. They're actually grouping up. Oh, I got sun here for a second. They're actually moving towards me, which is not good. Oh, I gotta run some more. I gotta run some more. Those do not look good. This is turning into one heck of an adventure. All right, so I saw something with a big tail go into the cabin or behind it. It's either I can get a cool shot of a marmot, or it wasn't a cougar, it looked like a puffy tail. Let's see if we can scramble down this. You gotta be kidding me. Look at the top of the roof. It's either a marmot or a beaver. Right there. What is that? It's okay. I'm not gonna get any closer. Can't tell what that is though. I think that's a marmot. He's looking at me now that I'm backing away. Well, that's awesome. I can check off seeing a marmot sitting on an old abandoned log cabin metal roof off my bucket list. Those things look so similar to a beaver, I can't even tell. Yeah, after I started backing up there and I turned off the camera, he scurried down the other side of the metal roof. Almost back to my car, you can see the old cabin here. It's definitely seen better days. So no one has smashed my vehicle. Well, that's a big success. So hopefully you enjoyed this adventure up Red Mountain number 3. It was quite the journey. It was a lot of fun. I want to say a big thanks to my Patreon supporters and the new Patreon members that have joined. It means the world to me that you would support my filmmaking and what I'm doing out here, making adventure hiking videos. So I greatly appreciate you. Thank you very much. And I will see you in the next episode. Pray you don't meet someone on this road coming up or going down.